So we'll learn go to label first. And we all know that it is control statement. Okay. A go to and label is an unconditional control statement. What do we mean by that? Now, unconditional control means we do not need any expression in order to transfer the control. Okay. So, unlike other control statements, go to do not need any expression to transfer the control. It transfers control unconditionally. Okay. It allows an unconditional transfer of control. Now, every goto is attached with a corresponding label. It transfers where it transfers the control to which it transfers the control. Fine. Next. Your labels can be a single character, it can be a number, it can be a string, anything it can be. Okay. Then the labels, if the control is moved forward, it is called forward go to. And if it moves backward, it is called backward go. Now let's take an example for that. Suppose we are having a code block like this. Two code blocks we will have. Now in the code block, we are having statements, maybe having many statements. Okay. So this is statement number 1. Then we have statement number 2. And then the statement is supposed go to A. Then we have a statement 4. We have A, which is the statement. Then we have some other statements like this. Okay, so this is one type of code that we have. And this is the second type of code where we have this like this. So what happens in the first part, we are having multiple statements here, right? So there is a statement number 1, statement number 2, statement number 3, like this it goes on. So it will execute statement number 1, statement number 2, statement number 3, then it skips 4 and then goes to 5. Isn't it? It skips 4 and then goes to 5. Or let's make it a little more yes, like this. So in this case, what is happening? The control is actually moving here. It is going to move here. So these two statements, those we are having here, these two will never get executed. Now, can you say why they will never get executed? Because they'll always be skipped. Goto will always skip them. So this type of a goto is called a forward goto. Okay, this type of goto, we call it a forward goto. That's in any language. Fine. Now let's see this one. Let's see this one. How many thousand times I told you that wait till I finish what I'm telling. So here what happens? Statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, 4, 5, 6. It goes back to 3. 4, 5, 6. It goes back to 3. 4, 5, 6. It goes back to 3. समझ में आया? So that means what it is doing, it is going for an indefinite loop because it will never be able to come out of this one. So this is called what? This is called a backward goto. Yeah, this is sorry. This is called a backward goto. So control is moving backward. Done. Next. So there is a rule that in a goto statement, both goto and label are placed in the must be placed in the same function boundary. Okay, interfunction transfer of control is not possible using goto. Can anybody tell me why? Why we cannot transfer the control um, across the function? Can anybody answer? The goto and the label both should be placed inside the same function. Now why? No, absolutely this is not the thing. Mona, that's what, if it is not possible to go to the label, but why it is not possible for goto to go to the label? That is what I'm asking. My question is, I am having one code block like this. This is one block. Okay, this is main function. And we are having another function here. This is another function. Okay, so in the main function, we are writing, so this is main function. In the main function, we are writing some statements. There is a label A here with some data. Then I have a go to, then I have a go to B here. Okay, I have a go to B here. then something, and we complete the code. This is how the main function we have written. Then here we are writing another function. So f1, we say void f. Now inside the function, I have a label b, and I write some code. Then I write go to a like this, and I have some other code also. Okay, now if you want to like this b should come here, and this go to a should go here, right? But this is absolutely not possible. Now why this is not possible? Because all of us know that the function is nothing like that. Because the function is, if you write b and go to b, this will work. If you write a and go to a, this will work. Okay, function comes to memory, or function gets loaded to memory if and only if we are calling it. Yes, it will be loaded to memory if and only if we call it. Until unless you call the function will never get loaded. So that is why आपका तो function है ही नहीं, तो function body अगर नहीं है तो control जाएगा कहाँ से? And again when you say go to, आप बोलोगे तो ठीक है, लेकिन हम लोग जब f में है, सपोज यहाँ पे मैंने एक f को कॉल कर दिया, आप जब f में हो देन तो main एग्जिस्ट करता है, तो ये क्यों नहीं जा सकता? Yes Mona, can you answer me? When we are in main, we say that yes, we have not called f. So how can the control go there? Because we have not called f. अगर मैंने यहाँ पे f कॉल कर भी दिया तो कंट्रोल तो इधर होगा ना, यहाँ पे तो होगा ही नहीं, है ना? तो my question is now that okay, I'll skip writing go to b, ये मैं लिखूंगी नहीं, मैंने यहाँ पे f कॉल कर दिया, then I'll come here. Here if I write go to a, why can't it go to the main function? Because main is there, main is still running there, isn't it? main तो है ना अभी भी मेमोरी में, तो वापस क्यों नहीं जा सकता? Because the only way you can go back is by popping this function off, which is coming in return only. No, it will not come into infinite loop. Whenever we are writing, say if you, this is a function block where how you remember I told you how they work. This is the main module pushed. Then on the main module, we are having this fun module pushed. Okay, so until unless I pop this out, I should not be able to come that, and popping this out is possible if and only if we are writing a return. That is why you cannot come to another function, or you cannot get into another function. Neither you can go back from a function by using to make to enter to a function, you have to make a call. To go back from a function, you have to write return. समझ में? So this is not permissible. Clear? Is it clear with everybody? Okay, so now let's write a program explaining or giving an example. Control won't go to B with that call. No, how can you go? Because from the F function, B is where? B, acha, from after the call you are telling. Now see, if I put a call here, ठीक है, मैंने यहाँ पे call कर दिया. So I'll say call तो नहीं है, I'll just make a call to F. है ना? The moment you call to F, what will happen? The control which was executing, ये देखो, ये line number 1, ये line number 2, ये line number 3, है ना? उसके बाद line number 4 तो इधर आ जाएगा ना? तो ये तो यहाँ पे जाएगा ही नहीं बी में. कब जाएगा? जब इसका आपका एग्जीक्यूशन खत्म होगा. अंकिता समझ में आ रहा है? फ्रॉम ए द कंट्रोल विल गेट ट्रांसफर्ड हियर, सो इट विल गो टू 4. 4 के बाद कहाँ जाएगा? 5 में जाएगा. उसके बाद जब वापस आएगा तब तो फंक्शन लॉस्ट, तब गो टू बी और कैसे जाएगा? अंडरस्टूड? सो दैट इज व्हाई वी कैन नॉट गो. अच्छा, so now let's see some applications of go to one level. ठीक है, दो एग्जांपल देखेंगे. मैं काम करती हूँ. I'll try to pick it up here. ये क्यों नहीं हिल रहा है यहाँ मेरा? Forward go to is never a loop because forward go to will always skip. Backward go to you can think as a loop. Okay, backward go to is a loop. Loop में होता है क्या, आपका बॉडी के बाद वो वापस कंडीशन में चला जाता है ना, so that is a backward go to. फॉरवर्ड गो टू में वो वापस क्यों जाएगा, वापस जब तक नहीं जाएगा तब तक आप लूप कैसे बनाओगे? गॉट इट? अच्छा, नाउ आई विल राइट वन कोड, देन आई विल गिव यू वन कोड टू राइट. फाइन. Can you tell me what is the output? Okay, good. In the beginning of a class, somebody asked me, ma'am, you have told that break is used. 1 second. Sagar Avasti, last class you said that we do not use break statement inside if condition. Is it true in only C programming language or any other programming language? It's true for every programming language. But Sagar, I think you have not understood what do we mean by inside if condition. Inside if condition, to come out of a if block, you cannot use it. If it is a switch, if it is a loop, and inside it you're writing if x equal to 10 break, then it will work because it is embedded inside a switch or a loop. Okay. Now, when I told it is working, you told it is working in Java, right? So let me share the screen with you to show that it does not work in Java also. So before you tell these things, please check once. See, is the screen visible, guys? There's online screen that is online compiler that is running. Is the screen visible? Yes, please see this. So what I have done here, I just taken a variable x, I have taken a variable y. Then if x is less than 20, see the outer block is if block. Okay, please pay attention. Outer block is a if block. I just print a hello world, y equal to x minus 1. Then I say if y is less than 5, break. Fine. And I run it. क्या लिख रहा है? brake outside switcher loop. I think your doubt is clear now that in Java also it does not work. So next time before putting this type of arguments, please check once that what you have understood, what I have told. I have never told that we cannot write it inside break. I told that it cannot be used to come out of this. If I just change this to while now, then it will work. Okay, and I have to do one x minus minus, otherwise it will be indefinite loop. Then it will work fine. Then there won't be any problem. It will show a compilation error. Okay, but if I write a while here and then do this, then it will work. Then there is no problem. Because each time x is decrementing. So you can do this. This is 10. This will not give you any error here. Understood? Because here we are writing a break to come out of a while. That is why. Whether values are, when it is happening, not happening, that is a different issue altogether. That we are not checking it out here. What I want to show you is this is possible. Who told you that you cannot write break with if? Break should be written with if. Because when to break, how do you know? Okay, when to break, how do you know? That if is deciding. But I never told you that it will not use with if. I told you that you cannot write here if. if से निकालने के लिए ब्रेक की जरूरत है क्या? if तो अपने आप खत्म होता है. Clear? Somebody who has asked, मैं भूल गई नाम फिर से. I hope it is clear with you now. Now, can we please come back to the discussion? Huh. So this one you understood. So how this will work? In this code, we are starting with the value of a as 5. Okay. Then we say print percentile d a. So how much will be printed? 5 will be printed. Okay. 5 will be printed here. Then a minus minus. So 5 will become how much? 5 will become 4. Is it greater than equal to 1? Yes. So go to x. It will go here. Fine. So then 5, it will print how much? It will print 4. Then this is 3. Is it greater than equal to 1? Yes. Then it will again go up. Then this becomes how much? It will be print 3. This becomes how much? 2. Okay. This becomes 2. Then is it greater than equal to 1? Yes. Then it will print how much? It will print 2. And this will be 1. समझ में आ रहा है? Then is it greater than equal to 1? Yes. So it will print how much? It will print 1 now. As it will print 1, is it a minus minus? A will become how much? 0. Is it greater than equal to 1? No. बाहर आ जाएगा. So this can replace a loop. Clear? This can replace a loop. Now, can we write the factorial program using a goto? कहीं पे loop use नहीं करना है आपको. Only goto use करके factorial करोगे और सारे टेस्ट केसेस को ध्यान में रखते हुए. टेस्ट केस माने जो आपका बाउंड्री कंडीशंस है उसको ध्यान में रखते हुए. Please do it. 2 minutes time given. Okay, so let's see. Many of you have written it. Let's just check what I'm doing here. Say int n and f. Then we want to accept, suppose this is a, I'll say scanf percentile d address of n. Okay, then we check whether the number is negative or not. Then we write if n is less than 0, then you can always put here that printf enter a non-negative number and we want to get the data again. We say go to a. This part nobody has done. Okay, next we can write here that if the value of a equal to 0, or you can say if a is less than equal to 1, then we see the we directly write go to result. Okay, otherwise we can go for a loop, or we can go for इसका नाम भी दे सकते हैं हम लोग repeat. Okay, so here we will do what I'll just write here f equal to f into n, then n minus minus if n is greater than 1, go to repeat. Okay, go to repeat. I'll just take it out to the different part because space is not adequate. Okay, go to repeat. Then we say printf percentile d f is the result. So here we will write it as result. Okay, we'll write it as result. Then return 0. We light out the top. Return 0. Okay, so here almost all things I have taken care of. Okay, so now see how this is working. So suppose I am putting the value of n equal to, I'm taking the value of n equal to -3, first value. Okay, so it is accepting, then n is less than 0. We said enter a non-negative number and it will go to a. So again control will go, again it will bring. So you have to enter a new value, right? Divyajyoti, test cases you have not taken care of everything. Looping, when the value finding out is okay. So now what happens, -3, then suppose I am giving 0. So when it is 0, a factorial of 0 is how much? 1. So is a is less than equal to 1? Yes, go to result. Print percentile df. How much it will print? 1. Next, suppose I am giving the value as 1. Same, it will from here it will go. Okay. Then suppose I'm giving the value as 5. This is n value is 5. F equal to f into n. So what is the value of f? If the value of f equal to 1. So n into n. So this becomes how much? 1 into 5. Okay. Then n minus minus. So n becomes how much? N becomes 4. Then is it greater than 1? Yes. Then again n. Then n minus minus. This becomes how much? 3. Okay. Then into 3. Okay. Into 2. Then this becomes how much? 1. Then it will not work. So it will print how much? It will print percentile df. So how much it will print? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. There is a small mistake here. I have written a by mistake. It is n. Okay. Is it clear, everyone? So we can take care of all the test cases. We can take care of all the cases, all the boundary conditions also by using this. I'm not telling the code you're writing is wrong or right. Nothing like that. Everything is correct. But most of you have not taken care of this part and this part. You have handled it here. 0 has to be taken care of. So it's loop, any loop. As we have a backward go to control, no? As we have a backward go to control loops, we can write always. Okay. So now let me share a poll with you all and take your views on this. If you have listened to me properly, then you'll have a fair opinion. I'll just skip it for 45 seconds more. Only 60% people have voted. It's really bad. I'll just keep it for 20 seconds more. Ankita, loop is a go-to only with condition. Go-to will be faster, no? There is no conditions. That's why. But go-to has a lot of lateral problems. Okay, let me end it. Still some 30 people are sleeping. Do you think go-to statement should be avoided? Now, go-to statement must be avoided. Now, see, go-to is unconditional transfer of control. Okay, so when it is as it is unconditional control, the problem is anytime without thinking of a logic. Now, see, if when we are writing, switch when we are writing, or loop when we are writing, we need to think about a condition, right? By which we can transfer the control. But when it is go to, anytime we want to shift anywhere, just try to go to and go there. You don't like it to be there, you write another go to and come back. So this, I mean, this shows a very, very illogical behavior of programmers. Yes, go to should be avoided, but I have never told that go to should be eradicated. No, go to we. It's nothing to do with memory space or anything. It's nothing to do with that. Now, say sometimes a wrong utilization of go to may lead to skip certain statements. So see, this is a logical flaw or not. Agar this type of a cases, every time it is going to skip, that means what? These two statements are not needed. If it is not needed, why you are writing it? It's a logic flaw, right? Here, similarly, as it is unconditional, it's going for a loop. So we should put, I mean, to make it a better, you make a better use of it, you have to use if. जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे if लगाया है ना? You have to do it. But it is always leading to sometimes if a little of a little bit of you can say it shows the sloppy behavior of a programmer, okay, illogical thought process of a programmer. That is why it's always told that, and if you write too much of go to, no, compiler will not be able to understand what is happening. The logic it will not be able to manage. Semantics uska hota hai, that will be a problem. So it's not considered as a good code if you write a lot of go to in that. One go to you can write, like in this particular case, go to is very useful. Okay, but not too much of go to. So go to should be avoided. Actually, that is the thing. So it's not considered good. It's not that it will give you any error or anything like that. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. हाँ, बहुत ज्यादा go to लिखेंगे तो confused and belling out एक compiler error आता है कभी कभी. Too much of go to होने से. Otherwise there is no problem. Okay. Yes, code. No, code is inefficient means it's not considered as a good coding habit to use a lot of code. That's what. Then what was the second question? Every loop can be written as a go to or not? Yes, we can. Why you have written no? So you can take a screenshot of it. We'll move on to the next one, that is switch case. No, it will not show any error, Shubham. It will go for a. No, it will not show. Acha, two A's are there. I have to check it. I'm not very sure. I don't think it should show anything because that is replaced by the address. You can try it out. I'm not sure. By writing any type of loop, we are telling that all loops we are writing single. I mean, we are talking about for loop, do while loop, and while loop. We are not talking about nesting. You want to skip something. That's why it's not a good habit, no? Why do you want to use a go to inside a loop? Where in general, where in specific, your control will not be able to reach a particular statement by using switch, by using looping, by using if, there you're free to use go to. But do not use more than one or two go tos in a program. It depends on the size of the code. A label is a name given to an address of a statement, not a variable. The way in symbol table, variable when identifiers are name associated with a memory location. The labels are the name associated with a statement location. They are not pointers. Pointers are something else because it's a fixed location. They correspond to address. The identifier never stores the address. The identifier is the name of the address. So the identifier is replaced with address. Pointer is not that. Pointer contains an address. Understood, Ashish? So when we talk about the, I mean, how the label is stored, it's something like this. It will be like, yeah, just say A hai. A is the statement address, suppose uska 486 है. तो ऐसा करके store होगा. So whenever you say go to A, ये control 486 में चला जाएगा. That's all. Every A is replaced with 486. That's why I was thinking that there should not be any problem if the go to and the when variable and the go to are the same. Second question is looping. No, so that's what I'm telling. Nested loop, I didn't ask. The question was whether every type of looping we can write using go to or not. Manal do while for. This is what. Understood? This is what I was asking. Can we move ahead? Please take a screenshot and we'll go to switch case. These people are getting disconnected every time they come. Whatever I type is getting lost. Yes, guys, I was telling it was correct. I mean, if you have the variable name and the label name at same, it does not give error. So somebody was asking question. I have to check out again who was asking it. I think it should be Subham. Yes. So it will not give you any error if the name of the label, like if I give it as A and this is label is A, then it will work properly. No problem. Okay. Chalo. Now, Let's go to the next part of it, that is switch case. So there are many rules regarding switch case that I'd like to discuss first. Then only we go to switch. Everybody know how to write a switch case. No, Subham, they do not have labels, do not have the naming convention. Labels are, I mean, you can have, you can have numbers as labels also. So no, nothing like that. You can have strings also. You can have characters also. I have probably told all of you to follow a book. Huh? कभी कभी उसको भी पढ़ लिया करो हैं কি আশ্চর্য ব্যাপার আমি জিজ্ঞাসা করলাম কিছু বললো না আমাকে okay so switch case every switch is associated with an expression, and by expression we all know it is, so by expression we all know it can be a constant, it can be a variable, it can be operator operand combination, right? So it can be a constant, it can be a variable, it can be a operator operand combination, or it can be a non-void function call. Okay, then next is we can say based on the expressions value, the control is shifted or control is transferred to the case having matching so based on the expressions value, the control is transferred to the case having a matching label. Okay, now these labels can be either character constant or integer constant or constant expressions. Okay, thus the expression associated with switch can result to only this type. Okay, it can be associated with only this type. Labels, example, we can have a case 1 valid, we can have a case A valid, we can have a case 3 plus 5, this is also valid. Got it? Achha, labels cannot be floats and real numbers. They cannot be strings. They cannot be variables. Clear? Acha. Next. Anybody not understanding? Please ask me. Till this point clear? Very good. Okay. Next. Labels can appear in any order. Achha, one more thing I forgot to write it, that matching label, if none of the labels of the matching labels found then default is executed. Writing default is optional. Okay, so labels can appear in any order, default can appear anywhere. Okay, now for example, no, it cannot be macro. Macro in the sense you are writing Nipun has defined, like has defined x value is 5, then you write x. Yes, 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 that is possible because preprocessor will replace it, but it cannot be a variable. Okay, hash define can be there, no problem. All of you got it, what he asked? Like I'm writing something like hash define v, okay, v is 3. Okay, then I'm writing a main function. Now inside main function, I'm writing something. Okay, then I'm writing a switch case. I'll say switch, suppose there is a variable a, ठीक है, switch है जिसका वैल्यू 1 2 3 ऐसा है, तो हम लोग ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, मैंने सपोज जो वैल्यू है that varies between 1 to 4, I can write like this, case 4, जो भी केस लिखना है लिखा मैंने, देन मैंने लिखा केस 1, ठीक है, कोई सीक्वेंस में लिखने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, देन मैंने लिखा केस क्या था भी पॉसिबल, नो प्रॉब्लम. इसमें क्यों प्रॉब्लम नहीं है? बिकॉज प्री प्रोसेसर विल रिप्लेस this v with 3. So when compiler will come, he will find it, compiler will find it as 3 only. Compiler will not find it as v. Okay, but if it's a variable, it will find it as v, which will be an error. Then say default. मैंने बीच में default को घुसा दिया, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. You can write it anywhere. Like this. What we mean in if else 2254 CSCB, the same thing we mean here. नॉन वर्ड फंक्शन मींस फंक्शन मस्ट रिटर्न समथिंग. स्विच के अंदर अगर आप प्रिंट डाल देते हो तो वो प्रिंट को एग्जीक्यूट कर देगा. स्विच के अंदर मैंने एक वर्ड फंक्शन डाल दिया तो एक्सप्रेशन का वैल्यू नहीं निकलेगा ना. दैट इज व्हाई दैट्स अ नॉन वर्ड फंक्शन. द वन दैट वी हैव डन इन इफ, सेम थिंग. अंडरस्टूड? अपने रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर के साथ अगर नाम डाल दो तो थोड़ा इजी होता है आपसे बातचीत करना. अदरवाइज यू आर जस्ट अ नंबर. ओके, ठीक है. केस 2. Done. Understood? So that means what? Your cases can be written in any order. The labels can be written in any order. Order does not matter at all. Okay, order does not matter at all. Which is the fourth point here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Label cannot be real number, string or variables. हाँ, तो कौन मना किया? Please, Abhilipsa Naik, please, your question you please ask properly. Labels cannot be this. Like example, if you take मैंने लिखा था शायद कहीं पे, नहीं लिखा. Example, you can write case 3.4. This is invalid. You cannot write case ABC as a string, not possible. Okay, then you cannot write case x being a variable. You cannot write all this. दे दिया example, हो गया. Why not? Default case is executed. Suppose the value of A is 7. It will check whether cases are there or not. So 3124 hai, that is not there. Then only it will be executed. Okay. Then only it will be executing. I'll elaborate a little more on this point. Next is every case must be followed by a break. Sound out to come
Yes, question खाली जो कब करना है इसलिए मैंने जो कब देने की
Now, this one is every case must be followed by a break, without which without which every case must be followed by a break, without which all the subsequent cases till it encounters a break or end of switch gets executed. Okay, now the question comes, why this is so? Why do we need a break? Okay, why? It's everybody knows, no? Last time also, people have answered that it needs a break, without which all the statements will get executed. Now my question is, why we need a break? Who can answer? Why we need a break? Loop. Where is the loop, Suyash? Loop तो यहाँ पे है ही नहीं. To save time. That's what I'm asking now. That if it is a if else, then you get all the you don't need to write any break. But if it is a switch case, why we need to write a break? My question is why we need to write a break. उसका आंसर कोई नहीं दे रहा है. You all please stop answering. Stop answering and see. there is a single I mean one line answer, or you can say 2 words answer to it. Now see, suppose there is a sports going on for play school students. Okay, now in the play school, as the kids are very very small, the podium is a little different here. Fine. So this is suppose for the student who has come first, this is for the student who has come next, this is for whom we have come, this is for third, and as they are very small kids, we have some consolation prizes also. Okay, now a person who has come first, यहाँ पे 1 लिखा है, यहाँ पे लिखा है, ठीक है, 1 लिखा है, यहाँ पे 2 लिखा है, they are play school students, 2.5 year kids, then 3, और यहाँ पे एक C लिखा है. Okay, and what we have done, there is no teacher there, so what we have done, we have put a very big dairy milk on this. Okay, ये एक बड़ा सा डेयरी मिल्क यहाँ पे रख दिया हमने, यहाँ पे उससे थोड़ा छोटा, ओके, यहाँ पे उससे थोड़ा छोटा, and these are all 5 rupees. Many such chocolates are there. Okay, all these chocolates are kept as, you can say, price. Now there is only one ayah who is there. Clear? There is only one ayah who is there. What the ayah will do, the ayah will take the kid and make the kid stand on the top of it. Just ये तो बहुत ऊंचा है ना, बच्चा तो चढ़ नहीं पाएगा, तो आया ने बच्चे को इधर छोड़ दिया, ये हमारा चाइल्ड है सपोज. Fine. So what the kid will do, the kid will collect this particular chocolate. Then what the child will do, the default is steps है ना, नीचे उतरेगा. So the default flow is downwards, right? As the default flow is downwards, the kid will get down. So kid will collect this chocolate, he will get down. Now when the kid get down, they will take this chocolate also. ठीक है, वहां पे 2 लिखा है बोल के छोड़ देगा क्या, ले लेगा. 3 लिखा है, इसका भी लेगा, ये सारे कंसोलेशन भी लेगा और घर चला जाएगा. हो गया. अब क्या करें, हमने फिर से चॉकलेट रखा. अब जो बच्चा है, ये बच्चा कहाँ पे, इसको यहाँ पे रखेंगे, तो ये क्या करेगा, ये चॉकलेट लेना शुरू करेगा, यहाँ से लेते लेते निकल जाएगा. सेम, why this has happened, आप बोलोगे that we have written 1 2 3. So 1 2 3 you have written, these are what, these are labels, and labels are not controls. Do you understand? Labels are not controls. Labels cannot stop you from doing something. हम लोग बस में जाते हैं, right? There are some seats जिसके पीछे ladies लिखा रहता है. Suppose गलती से एक लड़का बैठ गया उस चेयर में, तो उस सीट में, तो सीट थोड़े ना उसको उठा के फेंक देगा. Seat cannot do it. The label cannot control it. Who will control? If there is a conductor, he will control. Do you understand? Labels are just identifiers. They are not controls to stop the execution. So what happens when in case of a switch? In case of a switch, the control is moved to a particular case. ठीक है, सारे लोग ध्यान दें. ये कंट्रोल को मैंने सपोज 1 में भेज दिया, यहाँ तक मैंने भेज दिया, ठीक है. तो now start execution will be starting from this point onwards. So ये execute उसने कर दिया. डिफॉल्ट एग्जीक्यूशन क्या है, डाउनवर्ड है ना, सारा स्टेटमेंट एग्जीक्यूट करेगा. अब नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट में जाएगा. अब बोलोगे डिफॉल्ट लिखा है, तो क्या हुआ, जस्ट अ स्टिकर, नो, जस्ट अ स्टिकर. आपने मूवी में 2 टिकट बुक किया है, ये सीट नंबर और ये सीट नंबर, ठीक है. आप यहाँ से बैठना शुरू कर दिए और यहाँ पे बैठ गया, आपको चेयर थोड़ी ना उठा के फेंक देगा, क्योंकि आपका नंबर मैच नहीं करता है. It has to be done by somebody who is a control. Labels are not controls. Am I clear, guys? Understood? What are labels? Labels are just identifiers, stickers. They are not controls. Control कौन होता है? Else होता है control. If होता है control. So if there is a else means what? If a particular condition is false, then else will allow. Otherwise else will not allow. और डंडा पकड़ के वहां पे बैठा है. कंडक्टर रहे हो, समझे? सो दिस इज व्हाई वी नीड अ ब्रेक. हमें क्या चाहिए? So what we need, tell me, what we need now? इस केस को हम लोग कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? What was happening here? The kid was collecting all the chocolates, right? So all we need to do is once the kid has collected his own chocolate, हम लोग उसको उठा के पूरा नीचे रख देंगे इधर, तब वो उतर नहीं पाएगा, हम लोग उसको जंप करवा देंगे इधर से सीधा. This is what break is. Break is going to take you out. So if you consider this to be the entire switch statement, ब्रेक आपको क्या करता है? ये स्टेटमेंट से बाहर ला देता है. That's what. ब्रेक हम लोग कब अप्लाई करते हैं? When our vehicle is moving and we want to stop it, right? So it is a continuous flow. तब जाके ब्रेक काम करेगा. So in switch it is going into others territories. So we have to stop it. Looping continuously it is moving. We need to stop it. There we use break. We do not use break to come out of if. Why? Because if it is false, it will automatically come out. You don't have to do anything. Is it clear with you now? Can you answer now? So what is the answer? That every case must be followed by a break. Why? Because labels are not controls. Okay, they cannot, this is the answer. They cannot stop the default flow of execution, which is downward. So that is why we need to apply a break. Is it clear with you guys? Okay, so next we will go for a test. Okay, and then I think something I'm missing. Properly. No, I'll discuss one more thing, then we will go for a test. Last class we have discussed, you can take a screenshot of this. Let me take out these things. You can take a screenshot of this, then we can move to something else. Something else नहीं, एक ही चीज का थोड़ा explanation देना था आपको. Let me know once you're done. Done. Good. So now one question we had done last class. It's an example, not question. So let me share it with you. Okay, so now tell me, in between these two, I had asked a question last class, right? That do you think that switch case is faster or it is more efficient in comparison to multiple if? And almost 85% have answered yes, right? Okay, so why, what is the logic? Because suppose I am entering 5, it will check with 0, not matching, it will check with 1, not matching, it will check with 2, check with 3. So it will be checking with 6 cases in order to reach to Friday. But here the control will directly be transferred to case 6. So in that, taking that into consideration, we feel that switch case is faster. है ना? जैसे कोई एक पूछ रहा था, टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी ज्यादा नहीं हो जाएगा, चेक करेगा. मुझे एक बात बताओ, आप सपोज वी आर for 100 students we are conducting a test, single chair है, okay, and each table के ऊपर हमने आपका registration number paste किया है, fine. So you have to go to your sit to apply the to give the exam. Now we have shuffled the numbers. It's not serially. We have shuffled them. अब डोर से आप अपने सीट को डायरेक्टली कैसे चले जाओगे बोल सकते हो विदाउट चेकिंग इंडिविजुअल चेयर्स, इंडिविजुअल टेबल्स? कैन यू गो टू योर सीट डायरेक्टली? कुड यू अंडरस्टैंड माय क्वेश्चन? एग्जामिनेशन हॉल में रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर सीरियली नहीं है, मिक्स्ड अप है. अब एक एक टेबल चेक किए बिना आप डायरेक्टली अपने टेबल में जा सकते हो क्या? जा सकते हैं. कैसे? बाहर अगर एक लिस्ट लगा हो तो इधर आप बाहर लिस्ट से चेक करोगे, वहां से कंट्रोल को ट्रांसफर करोगे अंदर, और एल्स आप अंदर जाके करोगे. बट चेकिंग तो आपको करना पड़ेगा ना. तो आपको कैसे लगता है कि ये बिना चेक किए? अब मुझे बताओ तो, अगर W का वैल्यू 3 है जैसे कि यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, तो कंट्रोल विल गेट ट्रांसफर्ड हियर. नाउ टेल मी, इफ इट इज नॉट चेकिंग, व्हाई इट इज नॉट ट्रांसफरिंग टू दिस? व्हाई इट इज नॉट ट्रांसफरिंग टू दिस? जैसे कोई पूछ रहा था मुझे कि वो क्या वापस आके डिफॉल्ट को चेक करेगा? So that means it is checking. So how it is possible that we know that it controls, it transfers the control here? तो कैसे करता है? Now let's see कैसे करता है. तो हमने ऐसा लिखा है, ठीक है, switch suppose choice like this, and here I have written case 4, okay, and I have written some statements here. So this is a statement 1, this is a statement 2, और ये तो ब्रेक है ही यहाँ पे. ओके, ऐसा करके मैंने 2-3 केस लिखना है, तो ये मैं लिख देती हूँ थोड़ा सा बस. So this is default, or let me write it as a case only, case 2, let this be default. तो आपका सारा डाउट एक साथ क्लियर हो जाएगा. Let this be case 1. Okay, 3 नहीं है अपना. Now all of you know that this is placed inside a program, so it must be having one address, right? It must be having one address. So suppose the address at which this is placed, this address is suppose at a location 480. Okay, so 484, 88, 92 याद है ना हमें? So this is say 496. All of you remember जो addressing मैं लिख रही हूँ. So इसी तरीके से suppose this is this one is your 504 and 4 तो नहीं होगा शायद, this is 812, maybe 12 हो सकता है, and this one is suppose 524 like this, right? So what it does, it maintains a jumper table. Who maintains? Compiler. Compiler maintains a jumper table. Maintains a jumper table that stores the labels and associated addresses. समझ में आया? जैसे मैंने आपको दिखाया था that पहले उसका within the code addressing होता है, then it is getting I mean when you place it into memory, according to memory it is relocatable. Same thing happens here also. Fine. So this is the jumper table कैसे create होता है? It's something like this. Like it will be आगे 4 लिखा है तो 4 maintain करेगा 480. उसके बाद क्या लिखा है? 1 लिखा है तो maintain करेगा 496. उसके बाद डिफॉल्ट लिखा है, डिफॉल्ट लिखा है, सो दिस इज 512. उसके बाद केस 2 लिखा है, केस 2 में क्या लिखेगा? 524. okay, like this it will maintain. Now when the value of choice, when the value of choice is supposed to, so what it will do, it will come and check it here. समझ में आया? It will come and check it here. Is case 2 available? Yes, it is available. Where? 524. So the control will directly get transferred to 524. समझ में आया? बट बोलो चेकिंग हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है? if else में जैसा चेकिंग होता है यहाँ पे वैसे ही चेकिंग होता है. समझे ना? अच्छा, अब सपोज ये केस 2 के बदले हमने केस 7 दे दिया. सो केस 7 ये चेक करेगा यहाँ पे केस 7 है कि नहीं है, तो क्या एग्जीक्यूट करेगा? डिफॉल्ट। डिफॉल्ट कहाँ है? 512, तो ये सीधा इधर आएगा डिफॉल्ट के पास, 512 को एग्जीक्यूट करेगा। फिनिश्ड। It is creating a list of all the labels with their corresponding addresses, Aman. Now, when the value of choice, this is the expression which is evaluated. This has been evaluated as 2. 2 का एड्रेस लेता है, वहां पे कंट्रोल को ट्रांसफर करता है। 7 इस लिस्ट में है नहीं, तो डिफॉल्ट है क्या? हाँ है, तो डिफॉल्ट में ट्रांसफर करता है। समझ में आया? So that means if you talk about the what we can say, if we talk about the, let me if you talk about the efficiency, your multiple if and switch case are of the same efficiency. समझ में आया? Multiple if and switch case are of the same efficiency, but multiple if is more powerful. क्यों? Because यहाँ पे हम लोग खाली equality देते हैं ना, ch equal to 4, ch equal to 1. Can you write ch greater than 7? We cannot. Can you write less than, in between 2 and 4? We cannot. But we can write any else. We can use only integers or characters here, but there it can use floats and everything. ठीक है? तो एक है, मैंने लास्ट क्लास लिखा था, ड्यू टू शॉर्टेज ऑफ टाइम आई लेट मी जस्ट शेयर इट विथ यू, तो यू कैन चेक दिस वन आउट। फिर से लिख के क्यों टाइम वेस्ट करें? ये मैंने लिखा था, सो इट इज देयर। ठीक है? So it maintains a jumper table for all cases. So from performance point of view, there is no difference between a switch case and if else. But yes, if else is more powerful. कैसे? We can have any operation to be matched where switch is only one equality. It can be any operation greater than 4 you can write, but switch may it's only equality that you are matching. Okay. Similarly, we can use any data type where in switch it's only integer character, but here you can use anything. Where switch is used, switch is very short and simple, and if you have only menu based cases and all, then we can use this. Clear? So you all can take a screenshot of this, and then let's take a test. It will give you error. Yash Gupta, it will give you error. Duplicate labels are not allowed. इट इज मेंटेनिंग अ टेबल ना, आप डुप्लीकेट कर दोगे तो वहां पे डुप्लीकेट एंट्री हो जाएगा ना, दो मैंने दो, एक नाम का दो एड्रेस आ जाएगा, इट विल क्रिएट कंफ्यूजन्स, दैट्स व्हाई। डन? ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स टेक अ टेस्ट। सिक्स 41 exactly, 650 I'll stop it. इतना टाइम भी नहीं चाहिए एक्चुअली। Is it opening? Please write it publicly. Is it opening? Okay, great. Please go ahead. Let me just check how many have done. Huh? Three minutes left, 2 minutes left. People who have not submitted, please submit it fast. Last 1 minute. Please submit. Submit fast. कंटिन्यूस 2 टेस्ट जो लेस देन इक्वल टू 1 रखेगा उसको क्लास से हम लोग डिवाइड कर देंगे. नन ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस आर कमिंग आउट ऑफ कंटेक्ट. जो पढ़ा रहे हैं उसी को क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं. स्टिल आप लोग बहुत मिस्टेक्स कर रहे हो. व्हाई सो मेनी पीपल विल स्कोर 0 and 1? In computer science students and CSIT students, this is not expected. जीरो सबमिट करके आंसर देखोगे फिर आंसर करोगे भाई. तो अब तो देख नहीं पाओगे. Okay, so let me stop it and we will just discuss the answers. Okay. Okay, so now see. First question. INT A equal to 10. Switch A. Case 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. This is a constant expression. Okay. Constant expression. Always 10. So control will come here. It will print hello. There is no break. So okay in the next line. So this is the answer. Okay. Hello. Okay will be printed in the new line. So answer is hello. Okay. Done. Any questions? Abhi pucho. Next. A इक्वल टू 2. स्विच A. सो कंट्रोल कहां पे आएगा? 2 में आएगा है ना. केस 2. केस 2 नो ब्रेक. केस 3 switch will be over. Exit from switch. So what it will print? Case 2, case 3, exit from switch. समझ में आया? So switch A, the control will, this will go where? This will go to case 2. In case 2, we have case 2, then case 3, then it will come out and it will print exit, right? This one. Done? Next question. Case int A equal to 2, int B equal to A, switch B. And case A, this is error. A is a variable. You cannot, you cannot get here, right? A is a variable. So here this is the case expression is not constant. This is the answer. Done? Clear? सारा जो सिखाया उसी के ऊपर क्वेश्चन है, एक क्वेश्चन बाहर से नहीं दिया मैंने. Case 2 or case 22, or is not allowed. Or is not allowed in case. You cannot write like this. So it is error. Done? Then A equal to 2, switch A by 2 into 1.5. The result will be in float or not? Result will be in float, right? Because 1.5 is there. Can a switch has a float? No. This cannot be a float. So error. समझे? क्या स्वरूप? नो क्या? Swarup and Surya Prakash, you could not understand. We cannot have a float value. So that is why it's an error. Okay, then, so next class we will do a, yes, it is allowed, no problem. It will, short will work, long will work, all are work. They are variants of short माने short integer, long माने long integer. समझे? बाकी किसी में short long तो है ही नहीं. Short long are two qualifiers which are allowed with only integer type of data. Other data types, unsigned is with integer. Unsigned integer you have to write. खाली unsigned लिखने से नहीं होगा. Unsigned x will give you error. But short x माने हो short int x. Okay. So next class we'll start with a program in switch case, and then one or two programs. Then we will start with looping. Fine. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend. Bye. Take care.